how to take beautiful photos with beauty mode on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, at the bottom, you tap on photo. Then tap on the control button at the top. In here, we swipe across and tap on the face icon. Here we got face, so tap on it. Now the first thing that you want to do is tap on the face icon to turn it on. After that, you can adjust the eye. We can adjust the smoothness of the pictures. Here we can also adjust the tone. At the bottom here, on each of the items that you tap on, at the bottom here there is a bar that you can move to the right or to the left to adjust the strength of the smoothness or the tone, the color of your face, the jawline. So here tap on jawline, and here you can readjust the jawline as well as the eyes. Okay, so let's test it out here. So if I go into the face and I can decrease the smoothness or increase the smoothness, I can change the tone, the color tone, make it brighter, the jawline, and then we got the eye. So here when I turn it off, this is what it looks like, and when I turn it on, you can see my face is thinner and it's whiter and smoother. And that's it. So that is the beauty mode. Once it is on, you can then capture it. Now if you close it, then later if you're going to go and take another shot, you can see that the beauty mode is still on. So if you don't like to use it, you can always switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.